I'm Natalie and I'm here to share with you our beautiful Turmeric Energizing Treatment, and it's actually a transformative warming powder that also contains citrine gemstones. And if you're looking for something to energize and brighten your skin, it also contains turmeric, which has been used for centuries as a brightening treatment. And as I mentioned, it also has the citrine gemstone, which I have right here, which is all about your happiness. So it helps take that negative and turn your energy into positive. So now let's put this fabulous transformative treatment on the skin, and it is going to be a little bit of mixing involved, so the lid is perfect. It's like a little bowl, and right in the inside of the lid is some amazing instructions on how to apply it and do the removal and the mixing all in one. So we're going to actually do these steps right now. We're going to take about a teaspoon of the powder. The key is you're going to add a little bit of water to it, and we're going to be activating it and transforming the powder into a beautiful mousse. So I'm just taking a couple of my little spoons, and I'm going to mix it up. And I'm looking for a beautiful mousse. And all we're going to do is just going to put it on. So with the fingertips. Now I like to start with my forehead, so I'm just going to do little small circular motions. Almost immediately, as I do this application, I'm getting a beautiful warming sensation in my skin. Zeolite and paprika. So what this is doing is that it's bringing a warming sensation in my skin. And as you can see, I'm doing small micro-circling, and that's adding that exfoliation to this beautiful 3-in-1 transformative treatment. Now you're going to leave this on your skin from 10 all the way up to 30 minutes if you like. As it's starting to set, you want this to completely dry. That way then you're getting the complete benefit of the kaolin clay, which is purifying, as well as the turmeric, as I mentioned, is that brightening. So within about 10 minutes, this is going to dry and set nicely, and then we're going to be able to remove it. And here we recommend cool or tepid water, and just do that same circular motion to re-energize that warming sensation in the skin. Wow. My skin definitely feels energized. Oh yeah, and super smooth. So this is perfect for all skin types, especially if you have dull skin or congested skin. You're not going to be disappointed.